in New York, there is some outside noise from traffic. And if only they had a Tesla, we would have a quiet New York. Wouldn't that be lovely? And we could do a video without reshooting every time they make a noise. My skincare routine at night, because I'm lazy and I'm quick and I'm usually tired, especially after a big party. Well, I don't really party that much, but but after an event in the evening, then I need to take off all this makeup. So you see me in full glam because I'm at New York Fashion Week, attending shows and doing book signings. When I was younger, I had that oily patch and then the dryness. I also had pimples from time to time, especially as a teenager when I started modeling at 15. Now, I don't know, aging seems to work so well because I'm 71 now and my skin is better than ever. I don't go in the sun at all. I wear a hat, I wear sun protection creams because I really can't get sun onto my skin. It's aging. So that's my number one. Number two, I'm a dietitian, so I eat very well. And I eat lots of fruits and vegetables and beans and nuts and seeds, as well as whole wheat breads, and then fish also has shown to be good for your skin. First of all, I don't usually look like this because I have these fabulous false eyelashes on. Can you see the difference? When I have false eyelashes on, my eyes look so huge, and now they're looking a little normal. So now I'm going to take the skin cleanser and I'm going to wash my face. Let's get my hair back. We need it out of the way so that it doesn't, I'm just going to open a button so I can do my neck as well when I start cleaning. Okay, so you can see it is quite a thick makeup remover, and I'm going to be washing my face, making sure I get all the makeup off. So you can see now I have nothing on my face and it's completely clean and clear. So as I say, you can look forward to getting older. When I was a teenager and I was modeling, I had to get rid of the pimples on my face, but there were no special creams then or any medications for it. So I would put very hot water in a sink and I would put my head over it with a towel and steam my face. Things are much better now. My next product I'm going to show you is Pearlosophy, and it's an eye cream. The thing is, now that I've become a supermodel at 69, because I'm a cover girl, I get given a gift. So this is a gift, and it's great for my eyes. You can see it's got kind of like a little round, soft round thing, and so you squirt it out and then you put it on your eyes like this. It's like a gentle massage on the eyes. It's lovely, lovely. And then I'll do the other eye. Squeeze out a bit, and then you do the other eye. So just a gentle cream for the eyes. And for my lips are always dry, so I like to have the Covergirl lip balm. I have to keep it on me all the time because that definitely helps for my lips. So now I want to show you my night cream. So here I'm using Dior Prestige NECTAR de NUIT, and this is for a night serum for the face and the neck, and again it's a gift. When I'm given gifts, I love to try them, and especially when it's simple and I can understand what I'm meant to use it for, like night cream. That's easy. Sometimes there's a lot of complications in it and then I get confused. So I put some in my hand and then I just, feels so good after a wash. It's nice to go to bed fully hydrated. I also put it on my neck. The lighting here is great, so I'm sure I'm looking like I'm 25, which is fine by me. So there you go. I feel completely hydrated and ready to go to bed. So as a model, you learn a lot about skincare because everybody talks about it. You're having your makeup done and someone will put a lotion on you and it feels good and they tell you about it. Or sometimes they'll put a mask on me and they just say to rehydrate my skin before they put on makeup. That's lovely too. Sometimes an under eye pads they'll do. It's quite a treat. It feels refreshing and relaxing. So I'm always happy to try any new things. But I won't do it before a beauty job, because if I'm going to do a makeup job coming up or a modeling job, I need a week's break in case they have some products in it which makes the skin peel a bit. Can't have your skin peeling, especially if you're doing a close-up on the face. But anyway, even if you're not a model, you don't want your skin peeling when you're going out. So you just need to be careful. If you're trying new products, make sure you're not too busy that week. Well, that's my skincare routine. I hope you learned something. And now I'm off for New York Fashion Week.